I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Mimo Code on Ubuntu operating system. To get the command in Google search box right there, Mimo Code, then go on this MI site, MI's blog, this one. Click this. Then you need to go on this GitHub site. Let's click on this GitHub. And then here, the new page that's open, you need to scroll down. There, you need to use this command. So let's copy this one. Thereafter, opening the terminal. This here terminal, you need to paste. So not this one. Okay. 1 second. Let's go on the site. This copying manually. So let's copy and paste it there. So this command is there. Press enter. So current, this is the site, and with this here, you can see installing Mimo Code, the version 0.1. Here you can see the total percentage. So 1% that's done here, and this is currently this is doing the installation. So for this one, net should be connected because this also do the download process also, and this is now current status of this Mimo Code. So this is the one of the based AI. So this you can compare with the Cloudy Code. This has fast response rate. Okay, so you should also test with the Cloudy and Mimo. So this done here. Here you can see successfully added Mimo Code at this path and CD. So you can create open any directory, and there you can change the directory, then start using the Mimo Code by using Mimo Code. But here, if I write Mimo, so you can see this, that's the display. We need to open the new or terminal. Then if you write the new terminal, Mimo, then you can see this, that's come there. So this is the download section is there, that's fine. Now let's this checked here. Yes, I trust this folder, press enter. Now the new AI agent that's come from MI that's open there. So Mimo Code, you can type anything. Let's test with the I accept and you can see this is only 240 millisecond times. This is returning the output. So next question, how to learn or data science. How to learn data science is here, building and now. This is the only 1.3 second times this returning there, Python, this, that, and this one. Question asking what exactly Mimo Code that too. So response time is so faster. You can see code application key feature bug fixes this, that can. After that, you can ask any question of this, and this is how we can do the installation of Mimo Code on this Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you.